cold storage under the Haryali project, a CSR initiative of Utkal Alumina took place today in Bilamal. The event witnessed the esteemed presence of Bharat Goenka, CFO Hindalco, Ravi Narayan Mishra, Unit Head UAIL, Bhaskar Banerjee, CFO UAIL, Lopamudra Mishra, CSR Head and CSR Team Utkal Alumina, and Jagabandhu Maji, Sarpanch of Tikiri, Executive Coordinator of ASHA NGO, the project implementing CSR partner agency, the board of directors of Ajitai Farmer Producer Company, Bilamal, Ajitai FPO shareholders, along with a large gathering of farmers from Bilamal, Makapadar, Upardheska, Sanama Tikana, Badamma Tikana, Nati Guda, Duimundi, Tikiri, and Kaliakana actively participated in the program.
खुशीर कथा उत्कल एल्युमिनियम तरफरु
आम परिवार न पिले बंचिबो कि तेनो आमे उन्नति मानर पनिपरिबा करबा पड़िबो डास्का भाई को कहूची आम अंचल समस्त चासी भाई मान खाली डास्का भाई.
It's the first solar cold storage unit in the area.